Before the market opened for trading tomorrow, NIO is going to report the Q2 earning. We'll take a look at what are some of the analysts projecting, and we'll take a look at what the market is expecting NIO's price to move after it has report its earning tomorrow before the market open. Looking at some of the analysts' estimate, we're basically just looking at about 4 analysts, so it's not too many analysts putting in any sort of estimate here. The average estimate is somewhere around a loss of 26 cents a share with a range between 22 cents to 35 cents loss per share. And the revenue on average is estimated to be just a little bit over $504 million with a range between 514.16 million to 495 million. And looking at some of the recommendation, here's what the analyst is recommending is essentially is on a whole with a 2.9 rating between 1 to a 5. 5 is a sell and a 1 is a strong buy. And the current average price target is $6.66. Right now it's currently trading at $14.02. Here we are looking at a live chart of NIO. Right now it's trading at $14.11. First, let's go back and take a look at the weekly price range. You could see on the weekly price chart here, been on a downtrend, but recently in June, it broke out of this downtrend, and ever since, it's pretty much on a parabolic move up. And right now, we essentially are looking at this weekly one-time framing up. Now, usually when we look at a combination candle like this, it's typically is indicating some sort of bearishness, and we would expect price to pull back a little bit more. But as you can see, the price actually crawling up inside of this engulfing candle, this outside weak candle, and that is bullish. And also you see that it is one-time framing up on a weekly basis. Right now, this is the start of this week's candle here, and it is on the top of last week's range. And looking at the daily chart here, you can see that ever since it made a high here at 1644, it pulled back and found support near this 1093 area. And right now it's kind of forming a higher low, higher high zigzag, and appear that it is working its way back up toward this $15 level and possibly get back up to the previous high. And if we take a closer look at the price action on an intraday chart, you can see that right now it is sitting right near at this 1404 area, right near this zone, this low volume zone here. When it get to the low volume zone, either it move right to it or get rejected. And right now, if I use the current price to make a projection based on what the market is pricing in for NIO to move, and the range is on the upside will likely go to the top range of somewhere around 1631, and the lower range is 1175. So the market is pricing in a plus or minus $2.25 move. And you can see here on the price action, we see that it is moving nicely on an uptrend on an intraday basis. So if it get into this $15 area, then there's a good chance that it could move back up here and retest the 1644 high and possibly put in a new high. But if the earning report is disappointed, then you could see that it could break this 1174, 1175, and possibly come down and test this 1093 area once again. And if it could not find support here, then we have a couple gap here below that could get filled, and that would bring back down below the $10 level. So that's a quick look at NIO and what to expect, what the market is pricing in for the Q2 earning, and what are some of the analysts' estimate expectation. So good luck. Thank you for watching, and be sure to click the thumbs up and stay safe.